Child hygiene. Preventing common childhood illnesses involves implementing practical measures to promote good hygiene and minimize exposure to germs and pathogens. Here's a breakdown of additional tips to safeguard children's health. Monitoring activities. Supervise children's activities to ensure they practice good hygiene habits, such as covering their mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing and disposing of tissues properly. Hand hygiene. Encourage toddlers to avoid putting their hands in their mouth or touching their face excessively. Regular hand washing with soap and water or using hand sanitizer can help reduce the spread of germs. Maintaining cleanliness. Keep the home environment clean and free of dust and clutter, as dust and dirt can harbor allergens and germs. Regular cleaning and disinfection of frequently touched surfaces can help prevent the spread of illnesses. Hygienic food preparation. Ensure that plates, cups, and utensils used by children are thoroughly cleaned, and food is prepared hygienically to prevent foodborne illnesses. Hydration. Provide children with clean water to drink at regular intervals to stay hydrated and support overall health and well-being. Rest and recovery. When a child is sick, prioritize rest to aid in recovery. Adequate rest allows the body to focus its energy on fighting off infections and promotes faster healing. Limiting outdoor play. During illness, refrain from allowing sick children to play outside to prevent the spread of contagious illnesses to other children in the community. Regular checkups. Schedule regular checkups with a healthcare provider to monitor your child's growth, development, and overall health. Regular medical assessments help ensure that children are meeting developmental milestones appropriate for their age and identify any health concerns early on. By implementing these proactive measures, parents can create a safe and healthy environment for their children, reducing the risk of common childhood illnesses and promoting overall well-being.